You forgot to see what's in here. Want to see what's in here?
Oh, you want your blanket, huh?
Oh boy.
What's in that sack? Take the paper
A lot of paper, huh?
Oh boy. Ooh.
This might be too long. It's a two toddler.
Oh, very pretty.
What's
It's
that?
got the shirt in it. It's got another shirt
Oh,
underneath.
neat.
Like
That's
a little-
adorable.
Oh, we have to take, well, we have to get our special scissors to
Oh,
get these
jeez.
out of here.
No kidding.
What's that, Nova?
We'll have to check it out. Oh, look at Noah. You forgot to turn this on. Look.
Ooh.
Fun.
What's that?
This would be fun to play with in bed.
Oh, colors. Ooh, look at that book.
Wow, that's a big book, sweetie.
There.
Neat.
Shall we see if, I'm gonna get the scissors and see if we can get this.
What is that?
Where you going?
Oh, it's a little sidecar with a dog in it and a little motorcycle.